Hey everybody, it is MakeupMenaree. Welcome back to my channel. So obviously my brows are already done. Thick, dark, like I like them. I'm using the Anastasia Brow Wiz in chocolate. Next, I'm just priming my eyes with the NYX High Definition Primer. I got greasy ass eyelids, so I need a little something on there. I'm just gonna go ahead with this Milani color in Bella Cappuccino just to set that primer. Okay, so now I'm just gonna go in with this BH Cosmetics eyeshadow palette with this brown as just a, crease color. This damn palette has everything in it. It has colors, it has blush, and it was hella cheap. So, I'm down for that. So yeah, just going in the crease and there you go. Okay, so I'm gonna take the black out of this LA Colors palette. I love this black, it's super pigmented. I'm just gonna lay that below my crease where I just laid that brown. I'm getting ready to black out my eyelids, so this just helps, everything blend better together. Okay, back in with that original brown. I'm just bringing that up a little bit closer to my eyelid. It was sort of lost when I added the black, so of course I want that there. So I'm just going back and adding it. Okay, so now the scary part. This is MAC's Black Track. I'm gonna cover my entire eyelid with black. Now this is the point where your face starts looking hella crazy, but believe me, at the end it comes together. Just, hold on. Okay, back in with that LA Colors in black. I'm basically just going to set my eyelids with it, and also helps blend, the crease out right there where that black track sits. Okay, so at this point, if you ain't looking like a raccoon, you ain't doing it right. I'm just gonna go ahead with a clean, fluffy brush and just blend everything out so it's not so harsh. Okay, so now the fun part, Urban Decay Electric Palette in Fringe, this pretty green color. I did spray some setting spray on my brush. These pigments work better when the brush is wet or with your fingers, whatever you want to use. But yeah, I'm just going and layering that green all over the black, and you can see, how pretty that already looks. Okay, in with that LA Colors in black, I'm just, making sure that crease, that black area, is still there, and darkening up the outer corner there. It just looked a little flat to me, so just adding a little dimension. Okay, so I am blending again. Make sure you blend the hell out of it, and when you think that you've blended it enough, blend it some more. Like, these looks do not look good if they are not blended out, so blend it, girl. Okay, so next I'm going in with e.l.f.'s Inked Eyeliner. I'm just lining a real close line for my lashes. I'm not trying to do a wing or anything crazy. You can add a wing if you want, but I'm not doing all that today. I just want something to hide my false lashes. That's legit all I'm trying to do. Okay, so They're Real by Benefit Mascara, just a light coat so I can get my, eyes ready for these lashes. There they are. Although I don't remember what lashes they are. If I can remember what lashes I used, they're probably something hella cheap because that's just how I roll. I will make sure to link them in the description box below. Okay, so just doing a little cleanup and sharpening that outer corner there. And now I'm gonna go in with MAC's Double Gleam in the inner corner of my eyes. It just, brightens it up. It's a little dark there, you don't wanna look crazy. And next to Prep and Prime, I'm getting ready to, put my face on, and I need a little something on there before I start with my foundation. Okay, so I'm using a foundation that I have been using for years, Maybelline Super Stay Better Skin, love her. And I am just, you know, putting that all over my face with my beauty blender. And yeah, all over the face, forehead and all. Okay, for my highlight, I'm using Tarte Shape Tape. Oh God, I love this stuff. It covers everything. Sins, ex-husbands, badass children, you name it, it covers it. But be careful because she can also cake up on you, so a little goes a long way. All right, and now I'm just gonna set that Shape Tape with the RCMA powder. It's just a clear translucent powder. It works amazing on everybody's skin. From the darkest shades to the lightest shades, this, you know, powder is amazing. Okay, so I'm just lining the lower lash line with that color Fringe, that green color, and I'm just taking it sort of halfway across my lower lash line. Okay, next I'm gonna go ahead and contour this big ass forehead of mine with the Benefits Hulu bronzer. And yeah, I'm just taking it across my hairline to, you know, make that forehead look a little smaller. And now I'm gonna go in highlight with that MAC Double Gleam again. And I'm just, you know, running that on my cheekbones there and, you know, a little on my, you know, brow bone and, you know, wherever else I wanna be shiny. You know, that's where I'm gonna put it. And now contouring my cheekbones, you know, who doesn't want to look thin and skinny and model-esque? So I'm just running this on, you know, where you contour your face. Okay, so now back in with that BH Cosmetics palette. All these bigger shades in this palette are meant to be blushes, and there's a big range of them. I love them. So yeah, I'm just putting on some blush and running it into my contour. Okay, so you don't have any harsh 80s blush lines. Just take a clean fluffy brush and just diffuse everything. That just, you know, makes everything blend better. It doesn't look so harsh, you know, just blend it. Okay, I was struggling to get this to focus. It is in the color Chai by Bite. And I love a neutral shade on your lip, especially when you have a brighter color eyeshadow. It just sort of evens everything out. Okay, highlighting my Cupid's bow with MAC's Double Gleam, back in with Benefit They're Real on her lower lash line, and then I'm just gonna finish everything off with MAC's Prep and Prime, and we are done. Okay, everybody, so here is the finished look. It's really, really smoky, really green. You can do this look with any color. You can switch it out for purple, you can switch it out for red. This base really works well on a lot of different colors. I really love this dark, smoky, you know, hints of green. And I wear this look quite often. If you guys enjoyed this, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. And thanks for watching.